CBSE Class 10 Math video solution to the sample paper given by the board for the examination to be conducted in 2021. This is a 3-mark question from the basic version of the paper. It's a quadratic equation question number 33. This question had an internal choice. This video comprises the solution to the second part. I've done a separate video for the first part. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Two consecutive odd positive integers. Let's just take an example and understand. 5 and 7 are two consecutive odd positive integers. So let's assign variables to start with. We do not know whether it's 5 and 7. It could be 11 and 13. It could be 21 and 23. Let's say the first number is x. The second number is going to be equal to x plus 2. So that's how we're going to be proceeding. Going to assign variable. Let the first of these integers be equal to x, because these are our odd consecutive positive integers. The second one is going to be equal to x plus 2. Now what else do we know? We know that the sum of these squares of these two numbers is equal to 290. Square of the first number is x square. Square of the second number is x plus 2 the whole square. Sum of the squares of these two numbers, x square plus x plus 2 the whole square, is equal to 290. Let's expand the terms on the left hand side, club them together and see what we get once we simplify it. So we'll have x square plus, expanding this term will leave us with x square plus 4x plus 4. This is equal to 290. Clubbing like terms, we have 2x square plus 4x. 4 minus 290 will make it as 286. This is equal to 0. It's a standard quadratic equation. We'll even simplify it further by dividing the entire equation by a 2. That will leave us with x square plus 2x minus 143 is equal to 0. Right. Product of the first and the last term is minus 143x square. The sum of the middle term is equal to 2x. We need to split the middle term into two parts, such that the sum is equal to 2x and the product is equal to minus 143x square. 13 times 11 is equal to 143. So this would factorize as x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 is equal to 0. So sum is a 2x, product is a minus 143x square. X is a common term from the first and second terms, x plus 13. Take minus 11 as a common term from the third and fourth, we'll get x plus 13 again. This is equal to 0. X plus 13 is a term common to these two parts. So x plus 13 times x minus 11 is equal to 0. The product of these two numbers is 0 when at least one of these two numbers is 0. If x plus 13 equals 0, then x is equal to minus 13. If x minus 11 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 11. We know what does x stand for? X stands for one of the two numbers we are talking about. What kind of numbers are these? These are positive odd integers, which means that x cannot be equal to a minus 13. X has to be 11. If x is 11, the second number x plus 2 is equal to a 13. You could possibly do a quick validation just to know that you're on the right track. We know that the sum of the squares of these two numbers should be equal to 290, right? This is for your own validation, saying that you got the answer right. So 11 square is equal to 121. 13 square is equal to 169. 0 carry over, this is equal to 8 plus 1, 9, and then we have a 2. The sum of the squares of these two numbers is 290. So what you have found is absolutely spot on.
Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.